Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Judo at home for beginners. Start every session with a thorough warm-up, including light cardio and dynamic stretches to prevent injury. Next, familiarize yourself with fundamental Judo stances such as Shizen Hontai or natural posture and Jigatai, the defensive posture. These stances are the foundation of all Judo movements, so practice them until they feel natural and stable. Maintaining good posture and balance is key to executing techniques effectively and safely. Once you're warmed up, the next crucial step is mastering ukemi or break falls. These techniques teach you how to fall safely without injury, which is absolutely essential in Judo. Practice forward, backward, and side break falls on a soft mat or carpet until you can perform them confidently. Simultaneously, work on your footwork. Learn basic movement patterns like Ayumi Ashi, a natural walking step, and Tsugi Ashi, a shuffling step, to improve your agility and positioning. With your break falls and footwork improving, you can begin shadow practicing fundamental throws. Focus on techniques like Ogoshi, a major hip throw, and Ippen Seoi Nage, a one-arm shoulder throw. Visualize an opponent to help refine your timing, grip, and body mechanics for each movement. Additionally, explore basic ground holds, known as Asikomi Waza. Practice positions like Kesagadam, the scarf hold, and Han Kesagadam, its fundamental variation, to understand control on the ground. Consistency is vital for progress in Judo. Aim for at least 30 minutes of dedicated practice each day, focusing on a mix of warm-ups, break falls, footwork, and shadow throws. Always prioritize your safety by ensuring you have ample clear space, and if possible, use a soft mat or padding to cushion any falls. Remember, proper technique and safe practice go hand in hand. And speaking of quality, check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals that can enhance your training experience. Keep practicing, stay safe, and enjoy your Judo journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.